Today, we're tackling a topic that gives us all the chills: viruses on our Windows 10 and 11 systems. But fear not. I've got 3 simple steps to help you annihilate those pesky invaders. Step 1. Don your digital armor. Fire up your antivirus software, whether it's Windows Defender or a third-party solution. Run a full system scan to hunt down and eliminate any lurking viruses. It's like giving your computer a thorough health check. Step 2. Malwarebytes for extra defense. Step 2. Download and install a reliable anti-malware tool like Malwarebytes. This extra layer of protection can catch threats that your antivirus might miss. Run a scan with Malwarebytes to ensure a comprehensive sweep of your system. Step 3. Uninstall suspicious program. Head to Settings, click on Apps, and carefully review the list of installed programs. Uninstall anything that looks suspicious or unfamiliar. Viruses often disguise themselves as innocent programs, so be thorough in your inspection. And there you have it, fellow defenders of the digital realm. 3 simple steps to send those viruses packing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Until next time, may your systems be virus-free and your data secure.